560. Let's see if we wrote too much code. All right, so in data by system, in this Genblit section, we have two reusable objects to thwart the garbage collector. We have pixel array 0 and pixel array 1. All of these members are exactly the same for both of these objects. These objects just represent the pixel array and the pixel array's width and height, right? The width and height, and then the selection that we're going to select from and where we're going to paste to. So let's go down here. In Genblit, we have added this function, Genblit source to dest. This is going to be a more complicated bitblitting function that is a little bit more flexible. We have the input image here and the output image here. So we're going to copy pixels from here, paste them to here. Okay, we're going to make sure that the input object is exactly equal to our global object. So the global state is not meant to make the Genblit system stateful. It's just there to make sure that we can thwart the garbage collector, right? Okay, so right here we're going to extract the source image selection and the destination image selection. And we also want to know the magnitude of the source selection and the magnitude of the destination selection. Now, if the selection sizes are equal, we can do a simple bitblit, but if they're different, we have to do a more complicated bilinear blit, and otherwise, we fuck the hell up. Okay, so down here in Fiopunk, within the async bullshit section, within this PNG of any size callback within a callback section right here, we have changed this from a yell to a message, and we're going to take this reusable object and we're going to pack it with all of the source image information, and then the destination image, same idea, right? We're going to get a shorthand reference to this reusable object, and we're going to pack it with all of the destination image data, right? So we're just going to load everything into the center level pack right here within Pix 2048, and we need to calculate the selection region for that. So it's a 512 by 512 chunk of memory on Pix 2048 that encodes an entire level pack. That's where this is going. And then we're going to call our bitblitter, and we're going to copy pixels from here to here, right? Also, we need to refresh the texture memory, and that's what this does right here. Okay, down here is what we did previously, and then we have footnotes and stuff, and then we have what we did in this video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a shorter explanation, sorry, a longer explanation, go here. Like and subscribe.